good. Feels great. Feels good.
It actually feels pretty good.
Yeah, it feels good.
My favorite part is
Afterwards, you feel.
My favorite part is when I laid down and she went like that on my back. Per se.
My favorite part, if moms do it right here, it feels good, but right here don't.
Okay.
Because this is my tailbone.
It feels good. They have a little massaging thing that massages your back really fast. I think it's really good.
It feels kind of weird.
Well, if they do it softly, sometimes at some parts it feels good.
Yeah, it feels good.
Sensitive.
It feels like there's pottery dancing on you. It actually does. I'm not joking.